Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Hello everybody. This is my review of TPT's boba. I got the mango passion fruit smoothie. And we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a 7-point grading scale for how we're gonna judge these boba drinks. Based off of flavor, I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna give it an 8, maybe like a 7.9, because I appreciate the mango flavor, but I'm not getting that much passion fruit. And also, it's not quite a smoothie. You can kind of see the consistency here if you zoom in a little. It's like thick enough to be labeled as a smoothie, but as it melts, it's really turning into more of a milk tea moment, but that's okay. Okay, size, I think this is a fair size. So size I'm gonna give, or price I'm gonna give it a 7, no, a 6. Wait time, so fast, so easy. Had a wonderful little chat while I was waiting. I'm gonna give it a 10 on wait time. Reputation. I don't know that much about the reputation of the boba places in Berkeley, but I'm pretty sure this is a pretty like widely accepted, good rapport boba. So I'm gonna give that an 8 or a 9. And then quantity of boba. They were a little stingy, I think. It's fine, but I think I'm gonna finish the boba really fast and then I have a lot of smoothie left. So maybe the ratio's a little off, so I'm gonna give that 6.5. Overall rating, I don't know if this is the average, but I'm gonna give it just a 7 overall because it was pretty solid. I like TPT.
I'm reviewing Purple Cow. So I got the boba milk tea with oat milk, and I would say on flavor, it was an 8 out of 10. It was pretty good. I enjoyed the flavor. I would say on size, it's pretty non-traditional. Purple Cow boba is like really short and fat, which I think is really endearing actually. And I feel like it's a good size. It's like a full hand to hold, you know? Like it's not like a casual like clutch drink. I would say price, I mean, it was expensive. It was like, I think it's like $5.50 for the tea, but then you have to pay more for the boba, and then it all ended up being like $7, which, you know, but it is Berkeley, so you get, you know, that's how it goes. For wait time, it was pretty good. I ordered this on Snack Pass, and it was ready super fast and very convenient. So, and just like the ease of the order, very easy. They also have other food at Purple Cow, like French fries and stuff like that, so that's good to know. Location, this boba place is located like right under Martinez, which is one of the on-campus dorms, and so it's like super convenient, super close to campus. I walk by Purple Cow like all the time. Reputation, it's pretty new. I think the reputation is good. I feel like I see people walking around with it, and it's like very distinctive because of the short fatness. And then the quantity of boba, there's a lot of boba here. Like, it's like a solid inch, and it's like really wide, you know? So overall, this is a lot of boba. So if you're like big into like the boba part of your boba milk tea, Purple Cow's the way to go. So I would say overall, like 8 out of 10, very much enjoyed this drink.
Where are we? We're at the musical offering. The musical offering on a Sunday. Come from between 1 and 2, and you might get to experience some beautiful string music.
I love the plating.
Okay. Yes. Okay, stunning.
That's good.
I'm impressed.
Do you like it?
I love it. I was like a little bit apprehensive about the cream, but
I haven't actually gotten any of the grass jelly yet. It's very sweet.
okay, I don't think this has boba.
Wait,
maybe I
yeah,
haven't
where's
found
the
it yet.
boba?
Oh, wait, never mind. I see it.
We are
It's
not
in the middle.
Oh, it is in the middle.
Wait, hold on.
Are we viewing the boba? I hear
thought
the
I saw
ice. Mine has grass jelly. They didn't let me customize the sweetness, which is interesting.
Oh, that's now like a common practice. No sweetness.
No sweetness
Oh, wow.
customization. Do you want to do your review?
Yes.
How did you like it?
Okay, wait, let me try boba.
I've actually gotten a grass jelly though. I'm trying.
I think what's happening is the boba isn't fitting in the straw.
No,
We were too sustainable.
that would be so distressing.
It's there, but
Do you want to get another straw? We could
Yes.
walk back to Happy Lemon.
wait.
We could go in the bathroom and wash my straw. And switch straws. She got the boba.
It fits in the
The
straw.
boba has lint. Can we
It's
just
totally
compare
fine.
though?
Yeah.
The size.
That's gonna go into our
And-
rating for the
yeah.
for the price.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now that I had boba, this is
I
fantastic.
finally got a grass jelly. It was
Oh.
good.
And is it amazing?
I do like grass jelly.
Okay.
Okay.
fabulous.
Do you have your phone? Do you want to go through the list?
I do have the list available to us.
That is really good.
Okay. That's not the right thing. Okay. Flavor. On the basis of flavor, what would you give yours on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would give it like a 9 out of 10. It's really good. I wish I could have customized the sweetness, but the matcha.
We didn't say what we got.
Oh,
I got an ube.
what did you get?
Ube tea with cream.
Yeah.
With puff cream from Happy
And
Lemon.
boba.
And boba from Happy Lemon.
And I got a matcha latte
Yes.
with grass jelly from Asha Tea House, which is where we currently are.
Beautiful ambience. Okay, so on the basis of flavor, you're giving it a 10?
9.
A 9?
Because I didn't get to customize the sweetness. But it
That's
is
a good
really
point.
good matcha.
Fair. So fair. I am going to give mine... I don't want to give it a 10 because I feel like that's
You
too...
can give it a 10.
But
Give it a
this
10.
is like some of the best ube I've experienced.
Wow.
And I think the addition of the puff cream, which I didn't even know what that was,
How is it?
it's great. It
Yay!
adds to the creaminess. It makes it like dessert vibes. So I'm gonna give it a 10 on flavor.
Love.
Okay, size.
Okay.
This is
I
where
have to say,
there's a
it's kind of
disconnect.
small. It's like smaller than I usually think of boba being. But to be fair, it is marketed as a latte, and I usually can't finish boba, you know? So I actually feel like it's not that offensive. Like I'm rethinking it, you know? It's like a normal beverage size. Like it's just boba's
Yeah,
usually
that's all.
large.
That's so true. Usually they're just really generous.
Yeah.
Maybe because the boba itself takes up so
That's
much room.
true. How
I don't
would you
know.
rate yours on size?
I think I got a lot of bang for my buck. This was $6.88, and I feel like this is pretty solid for that.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give it an 8,
Yeah.
I think, or like a 9. No, maybe a 9. A 9 is good.
This one was $7.25.
A little pricey.
For the smaller size.
It is matcha.
So I'm gonna give it. That's true. I didn't think about the matcha.
But is matcha
I was gonna
generally
say-
more expensive?
I don't know. I was gonna give it a 6 on the price, on like the price slash size, because I feel like it is smaller for more expensive.
Understandably so.
Like the taste is good. Yeah. What would you say on the wait time, ease of order for Happy Lemon?
So it did take a little bit of a minute. We were there. We did some people watching, so
That was
we
good.
spent the time well. But it did take us. So if you're in a rush and you just need a fast boba, I would say Happy Lemon maybe is not the
Yeah.
ideal spot. So I'm gonna give it like 7 or maybe a 6.
Yeah.
6.5. 6.5 for wait time.
She's so nice. She's so mean to give bad scores.
No.
I'm gonna give this a 10 on time. We came right in. I ordered it. The lady was very nice. I wasn't sure which one I wanted to order.
Very helpful.
Very helpful. The boba came out right away. Beautiful place. Yeah.
Stunning location.
Oh, speaking of which, location. I'm
Oh.
gonna say this is a great location. Both of our boba places are on North Side. Because we wanted to try a different location. Reputation. I don't actually know.
This, I
Happy
think
Lemon
probably.
I've heard of. Asha Tea House, I had only like tangentially heard it, but this place seems fancy. So
I mean, look at it.
Like literally look at it. So I would say it's like kind of a bougier boba place. It's not even it's like also a cafe.
It's like this is like a destination boba spot. If it's like we're gonna get boba and then go to a secondary location, then go to Happy Lemon because it's like you get your boba after a certain amount of waiting, and then you get to walk around with your cute little lemon cup. But for Asha Tea, it's like let's do boba.
Let's the activity.
Boba is the main event.
Is the event. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Quantity of boba.
Smaller drink, less boba. So fair. 7 on the quantity. 6, 7. Yeah.
I feel I was a little worried at first that I wasn't getting boba, but now I am consistently getting it in the drink. I think it's a pretty good distribution. I'm seeing that there's a lot of the cup was actually filled with cream. So maybe that kind of was a little misleading as to how much I thought was going to be in there, but I think it's still there. Maybe a 7.9 on on quantity of boba. So I think it's fair. It's in there, but
all right. Overall reviews.
Overall rating. Happy Lemon. I'm really pleasantly surprised. I was like a little nervous to try something new. I had never had puff cream, and now I like it. So I'm gonna give it an 8.75.
I'm gonna give the drink a 7.5. However, I'm gonna give the experience an 8.5.
Yeah,
because I feel like this is such a nice place that like if you were like going to boba, it's like worth it. Yeah. Even though the actual drink is a little smaller and a little less customizable, you know.
It's a good spot to study too.
Wonderful place to study.
Like lots of nice low lighting, good ambience. You get your boba and you study. It's great. Okay. I think that was successful. Thank you. Crunch.
Oh. That was so satisfying.
Yeah, that's kind of beautiful. The layering that's happened here.
Ooh.
Really stunning. I think that's a great sign. I love the little buttery, glazy moment that we have on the top here. Let's take our first little taste test. As a croissant connoisseur, might I say?
Yes.
I'm gonna give this it was warmed up at one point.
It was. It was quite warm, and then we did talk.
So I think if this was warmed up, it would be like a 9. This, I'm getting like 8.5 for this. This is solid. The Victory Break Cafe, we have a lot of game availability. So that's something I'm interested in. It's also a very expansive menu, including sandwiches with cute names, pizzas,
Bagels.
And look at how cute they decorate the top boards. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really kind of fabulous. And the vibe that I'm getting here, people are like studying, people are playing games, people are chatting and eating croissants. So highly recommend for not just a small little like short cafe experience. If you want to come here as like a destination,